What you doing, Mimi? Are you doing house chores with me? Mimi bird. What you doing? Hello, Suri. Mimi bird. Okay, it's time to go. Mimi, it's time. All right. I gotta do laundry. What you doing? What you doing, Mimi bird? It's time to go in your house. Okay. No more running around with Mommy. Mimi. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Where's my Mimi bird? 1, 2, 3. You're so sweet. All right. I'm gonna go back in your house. Now he's gotta do more chores. Come on. Mimi, I see you. I see you. I see you. Mimi bird. Mimi. Get you. Where's my Mimi bird? Where's Mimi? Where's Mimi, Suri? Oh, there's Mimi. You are so silly. Mimi! Did you put a hole in my dress? You didn't put a hole in my... Mimi! You didn't put a hole in Mommy's dress. That's how I get holes in my dress. Mimi, come on, it's time. Come on. Mommy's gonna... Oh boy. That's where she sits. Runs around all day. She likes to sit in my boobies. Come, Mimi. I love you. I love my little Mimi bird. Alright, sorry. She doesn't want to go. I'm gonna go downstairs. There's... Come on, Mimi. Baby bird. Baby bird. Get you. Alright. It's time to get up. Come on. I know. You want to stay there all day. But it's time to go. It's time to go, my little Mimi bird. Come on. We gotta go out. Are you smiling? Are you smiling? I know. No. Hey, you don't bite my glasses. No. All right. Step up. Mimi bird. Okay, sorry. I kiss you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, it's time to go. It's time to go night-night soon, baby birds. Thank you. Okay, I know. They fight for my attention. I know. You get jealous. I know. I know. I kiss you too. All right, it's night-night time. Love you. Oops. Come on, step up. Mimi bird. I love you. I love you. All right, come on. Come on, Mimi. It's time to go night-night. Okay, I struggle with this every night. Put him to bed. I know. I know. I know.